China has taken a significant leap in logistics technology, with the successful full-load taxiing test of its new generation unmanned transport aircraft, the CH-YH1000. This advanced cargo drone, often described as a pickup truck in the air, is designed to revolutionize delivery services, particularly in remote regions where traditional transportation methods struggle. The test, conducted at Zhanghe Airport in Jingmen, Hubei Province, marks a crucial step toward integrating autonomous aerial delivery into modern logistics networks. The CH-YH1000 is a large-scale cargo drone built to carry substantial loads over long distances. Unlike conventional delivery drones, which are typically small and limited in capacity, this aircraft is designed to handle heavy freight, making it a game-changer for logistics. Its ability to take off, land, and operate autonomously means that it can significantly reduce the cost and complexity of transporting goods to areas with poor infrastructure. This technology has the potential to transform supply chains, providing faster and more efficient deliveries to places that were previously difficult to reach. China has been at the forefront of developing unmanned aerial vehicles, and the CH-YH1000 is a prime example of this innovation. By eliminating the need for a human pilot, this drone reduces operational costs while improving efficiency and reliability. It is expected to be particularly useful for delivering essential supplies such as medical aid, food, and equipment to isolated areas during emergencies. In addition, it could play a vital role in industries like mining, construction, and e-commerce, offering a flexible and scalable solution for heavy cargo transport. The successful taxiing test of the CH-YH1000 brings it one step closer to full deployment. In the coming months, further tests and refinements will determine its commercial viability. If successfully implemented, this drone could reshape the future of logistics, offering an eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative to traditional transport methods. China's advancements in this field highlight the growing importance of unmanned aerial systems in global trade and logistics. The CH-YH1000 is not just a technological breakthrough, it represents a glimpse into the future of autonomous cargo transportation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.